What is going on, guys, and welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Now this is going to be something that's a little bit different to what we normally do on this channel, and today is actually going to be a tutorial on how to multi-stream with Streamlabs so you can see your KIK and Twitch chat all in the same chat dock instead of having multiple docks across your Streamlabs software. So I'm going to jump straight into this, and this is how you're going to do it. So in the top left here, you can see we have editor, overlays, app store, highlights, and recordings. The first thing I want to make clear is I do have a Streamlabs Ultra, so I do not know if you can do this if you have the basic version. Obviously, Streamlabs Ultra is a paid subscription that might give you extra features. As far as I'm aware, I think this only helps you if you're looking to stream to YouTube. However, in this video today, I'm only covering KIK and Twitch. They're the two main platforms, and it's kind of the platforms I have the most experience with. So as I was saying, in the top left hand corner you've got this little button called the editor. What you want to do is you want to drop this down and you want to go to layout editor. So within the layout editor, what you've got here is you've got multiple different preset layouts that you can load. So what I do is when I'm streaming just to Twitch, I use this button down here where I've got my mini feed, which is my Twitch chat, my main display, scene selector, source selector, and then my audio mix. However, when it comes to streaming with multi-streaming to KIK and Twitch, what I do is I load this one up. So as you can see here now, we've got the mini feed on the left and we've got the audio mixer on the right. So as you can see here, we've got loads of different elements that we can use. What you want to do is you want to go down to the website option and you want to drag it in to whichever place it's easiest for you to read chat on your second monitor or wherever. So you drag it in and it's going to pop up with an enter target URL. So what you want to do for that is you want to go over to your KIK page. No, sorry, not your KIK page. A bot called Botrix. So as you can see here, move this out of the way so you can see everything. As you can see here, look, I've got my Twitch and KIK page up, but the best bot that I recommend that you use for KIK streams is this bot called Botrix. So what this does is it integrates any live streaming platform that you can go to, so Twitch, YouTube, and Discord, as well as KIK. So log in with any of these credentials. I'm going to log in with Twitch. Once this is loaded, it'll pop up with a premium message. Just X off that, and here you've got your platforms underneath your profile on the left hand side. So as you can see, I've signed in with my Twitch account. I've set up my Discord. You don't have to do Discord, by the way. And you also have a KIK account and TikTok and Gilded and Trovo. So as you can see, my platform here, it says Twitch. I want to click on here and go to settings once it's been linked, and you see it swaps over to my platform, which says KIK. Over here is where you'll find everything you need for KIK. This is where you set up your alerts, the exact same process as Streamlabs. However, I'm purely just going to cover the chat today. And if you want to understand how Botrix works, please let me know in the comments down below and I'll happily make a video. Same for setting up alerts and anything else. So the first thing you want to do is head to widgets. Now, with the widget section, you want to go to chat. And as you see here, it says add your channel's chat to your streaming window. So you click on the chat button. And here you've got some toggle options for Trovo, KIK, YouTube, Twitch, YouTube, and KIK. So these are all of your settings that you can apply. So you can hide messages from your bot. You can hide Twitch emotes. You can hide old messages. If you tick this button here, this is how long messages last on the screen before they disappear. You can hide commands. So if someone says, I want to join the Discord, and they put exclamation mark Discord, it will hide that from the chat to make it cleaner. This is the key one here. You can show platform icons. So as you can see here, it will show you what is going on. So this is where you can pick what your chat looks like. I like white. It's the easiest for me. However, this is the thing that you need to do first. You need to copy this. So you hit the copy button and then you go back to Streamlabs, back into the editor, layout editor. This is the pre-selected one. You enter your target URL, you paste it in, you press enter, or save changes in the top right. Now, as you can see, this looks really weird because my Twitch chat's naturally popped out. What you can do is if you move that to the side there, it removes the Twitch chat that's already integrated because I'm logged in with Twitch. Hang on, you can't see because my camera's in the way. 2 seconds. because I'm logged in with Twitch, you can just see that I'm logged, so it'll automatically default to that. So move that to one side. So what you can do is, let me put me back on here. What you can do is if I was to now go to my Twitch channel, go to my chat page, and type, "Hi, welcome to this tutorial, to this YouTube video. If I can actually type. As you can see there, it's popping up in the chat somewhere, and it's got the logo there as well. I go to the KIK tab. I go to my chat again on KIK on my homepage. I go into the chat. Please hit that sub button or leave a like. There you can go. We got KIK on there. While that's on the screen, look, if I just quickly put K, LOL, NO, and then spell no. There you go. As you can see, the chat is there, it's functional, and it's working. So once that's done, you are effectively done, and that's how you link both KIK and Twitch chats into Streamlabs using the Botrix bot. However, the best thing with this bot is it syncs, it only uses, it's the best way to have your Twitch and KIK linked. However, I stream on Twitch mainly, but if I wanted to go over to KIK, I wanted to multi-stream, this is how I would do it. As you can see, as you popped it there, it has all the timers built in, and it keeps everything separate. So for example, if I have a Twitch chat and someone goes, "Oh, how many followers have you got?" Boom. It will tell you, and it will stay to Twitch, and you won't see that on KIK. Someone goes, what's your Discord? Here's the Discord link. Again, so it posts stuff in there, and it helps you out, and it keeps it all separate. So as you can see here, the only issue you've got is you can't see any events. So what I suggest you do is, and it's kind of a sacrifice that I've kind of found and I've kind of learned to live with. If you know your audio levels are good and you're happy with your mixer, if you go back to the layout editor, you see you've got the audio mixer here on the left-hand side. If you put legacy events, save changes, it then brings up all of your events, and you can see them, and you've got your chat on the left. That is the easiest way that I found. However, I don't know how it stands for KIK alerts because I haven't actually tried this yet. So it's kind of one of those grey areas where I don't know if this will feed in through KIK as well. So that's going to have to be one that you test on the fly. I do have sound alerts set up for myself on the Botrix bot just purely for KIK. So if I was to get a follow, etc., I will know that I've got one. It may just be a case of just flicking back to my stream, and obviously when you're live you have this section open on dashboard anyway, so you're about to see what's going on in the feed down here anyway. That is the only grey area that I kind of have at the moment in terms of when I'm recording this video with what you can actually do. I haven't seen anywhere in the layout editor that actually stands out anywhere else. So again, play around with this, but the main thing is linking and having your access to your Twitch chat and your KIK and your KIK chat in the same place to make it easier for you to read and to identify where they're coming from. I did realize one thing though. I didn't tell you how to link KIK with Streamlabs. So let me show you how to do that real quick right now, just so you know. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go over to your settings, and then you want to go into stream. And as you can see, naturally you'll have all these destinations, but you need to add a destination. So at the bottom, you're going to go add destination. You're going to call it KIK. And then it's going to ask you for a URL and a stream key. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go over to your KIK page. You're going to go to settings, stream key. So here's the stream URL. You hit the copy button. You come back over to URL. Copy and paste that in. Stream key, same thing. Never show your stream key to anyone, because if they find this stream key, they'll be able to use your account to stream from. So copy, back over, stream key, paste, save. Okay. once you hit that save, it's there. You've got your destination. So I'm going to delete that one as I've already done it. So now that you've got your accounts linked, to enable the multi-streaming, what you need to do is when you go live, down here in the bottom right, you hit go live and you've got these toggle options. At the moment, as you can see, I'm just streaming to Twitch. It's got my title and the last stream I did, which was American Truck Simulator. You go to KIK and you enable that, and that is your title and Twitch category. What you can do is you can toggle this button to show the advanced settings. However, I want to make this clear. Even though it has Twitch settings, the title will be the same for KIK and for Twitch. You can't have two separate titles. So pick a title that you're happy with because it will be displayed on both. The only thing you can change in Twitch is tags, because obviously tags aren't a thing yet during KIK at this moment in time. You can use a different title down here. I have tried it, but it just changes this up here, to be honest with you. So if I was to say, let's get rid of this, it does update itself every now and then, and it messed it up. See, it just, once I've hit enter there, look, it updates itself. So this function right now is purely for YouTube. So if I was to get rid of the KIK and go into YouTube, obviously common stream settings, your description, and then here's your YouTube stuff where you generate a thumbnail to get clicks, etc. But that's a whole different video. Again, if you want more information on that, please let me know in the comments and I'll do it for you. But yeah, just want to show you how to link your KIK account with Streamlabs as a destination so you can stream to that platform, whether that was to multi-stream or just to stream to KIK. But yeah, just a quick little update from you there as well. So if you found this video useful, please hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and of course, if you want any more tips on how to stream to KIK and to KIK and to Twitch, please let me know. If you want me to explain the Botrix app even further, let me know. Anything to do with Streamlabs, pop it in the comments, and I will do my best to help. But as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Adios.